big bridge. That was a blast! Full steam ahead! The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to the pig farm. Right leads to the water slide. Forward leads to the pig farm. Right leads to the water. We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Left leads to the pig farm. We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Super! We all love your train set. Where to now? Right leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Forward leads to the Lava Quarry. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Right leads to Knapford Station. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Forward leads to Cannonball Curve. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to Knapford Station. Left leads to Cannonball Curve. Knapford Station's just ahead. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each super. Whoa! We're always happy to help. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the Lava Quarry. Forward leads to